today to Shizuka Salon to get this Berku facial or geisha facial done on my really dirty skin. I'm going to do my very best to describe to you guys the texture, how it feels on my face, the smell, which I'm really hoping is nothing. So we're going to go upstairs and check it out. We are in the elevator. We are this close to putting bird droppings on my face. I'm very excited.
Hi, Rebecca.
Hi.
I'm Shizuka.
Nice to
meet you.
you.
You're going to have geisha facial today, correct? Okay, so please follow me.
Okay.
What is your main concern about your skin right now?
I'm getting very oily around my nose and kind of breaking out on my cheekbones with, I don't know if it's malaria, the little white dots.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to concentrate your, the T-zone maybe, and then I'm going to check your little pigmentation you were talking about.
Sorry?
This one is a basic Shizuka New York's cleanser.
Okay.
Two kinds. The clay cleanser.
It smells
the
good.
cleanser. Thank you. Okay, so this is second cleansing.
Okay.
It's again this is the New York's foaming cleanser.
What's the difference between a cleanser that foams and doesn't foam?
The clay cleanser is a little bit more deep cleansing, and this one is normal to dry skin, so it doesn't leave the skin dry. We use the Nightingale droppings to cleanse your skin and then exfoliate the skin very well.
Okay.
And then it's very gentle. Doesn't smell the but the poop smell. So I'm sure you will like it. Okay. So I make it as like a paste.
Okay. Very cold. Feels good. And there really is no odor.
It smells
Smells
like,
fine.
Like a rice.
Yeah, it does smell like rice. I would say it smells like oatmeal or something.
Years ago, the geisha and the kabuki actors, they couldn't remove their thick makeup, and it contained the lead, and they became really.
The makeup contained that.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, so they became really sick. Yeah, and it's even some people even died from it. So I suppose that they tried everything they
Right.
It was just a liquid, and then I foam it.
So I've just cleansed my face. I had my exfoliating done, and now we're getting ready to extract the very few blackheads that I have. And I wish I could wink. Where do you get the Nightingale droppings from?
I use the retail store in Japan.
Oh, okay.
So it's already powdered, UV sterilized powder, so it doesn't come like a pasty thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is camellia, the flower camellia, camellia oil. It's another the beauty, the secret, or just the Japanese people, women use this a lot for the skin and then hair.
This is for dry skin?
Yeah, it's good for the hydration.
Smells good.
It's the freeze dry ingredient in this fiber mask. So when we wet it, the ingredients goes they penetrate into the skin.
So we're back in the waiting room. I just finished my geisha facial. It was absolutely phenomenal. It really was a full service facial. There was nothing funky or odor intensive about it. It was neck massage, hand massage, collagen mask, extraction. Everything that you put on my face smelled divine. It was cool and soothing. You definitely would come back.